Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to add a layer in Figma. So guys, essentially layers are objects in this service. So whichever object you add to your workspace, I should call it that I suppose, basically onto the space of your project, is going to be a layer. So as you can see, I have no layers because my workspace is empty in my project. So let's, for example, add some kind of figure, some kind of geometrical figure. So let's say, for example, rectangle. We can just press on R on the keyboard. As you can see, this activates. Also, as you can see it in here, and let us just create one. Okay, and as you can see now under our layers, we have a new rectangle layer. You can also watch it, and you can close it, lock it. And if we, for example, create something else, right? Let's say we create a frame. Let's press F and create a frame. Okay, so this is the frame now. And as you can see, under layers, we have a new layer, which is called frame now, right? And as many as you add, you will have a separate layer for it, but whatever you place inside of it is going to be inside of one layer. But in general, this is how the layers work in Figma. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, don't forget to support our channel with a like and a subscription, and I will see you in the next one.